Good morning, class 7th. We are in chapter acids, bases and salt, and today I am going to discuss about preparation of salts. Okay, so you already know that the salt is a compound which formed after reaction between acid and bases. Okay, and it is also known as neutralization reaction. Okay, the common salt is known as sodium chloride or common salt, and the salt can be prepared by following reaction also. Okay, so here we discuss about preparation of salt. Okay, reaction between an acid and a base. As we already seen that whenever acid react with base or base react with acid, it form salt. NaCl can be prepared by the reaction of sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid. Reaction with acid and a metal. When a metal displaces hydrogen from an acid to form a salt. Okay, reaction with vegetable oil or caustic soda, soap, which we use for cleaning, are actually sodium salt of some acids. Soaps can be prepared by boiling vegetable oils or animal fat with caustic soda. Notice that in all the above cases, the salt is formed by replacing the hydrogen in an acid by a metal atom. Okay, thus we can define a salt as a compound formed by replacing the hydrogen of an acid by a metal. Okay, so metal displace hydrogen, then and then after salt will formed. Okay, so we can also say that whatever the reactions are there to prepare a salt is said to be displacement reaction, in which metal displace hydrogen to form salt. So again I repeat, salt is a compound formed by replacing the hydrogen of acid by a metal. Okay, we know that in each and every acid consists of H plus ion, and this H plus ion can be removed or replaced by metal. Okay, now let us discuss another topic, which is naming salts. An acid contributes the non-metallic part in a salt. When the salt is prepared by neutralizing the reaction between an acid and a base, the base contributes the metals. The exceptions are ammonium salt, such as ammonium chloride or ammonium sulfate, which are prepared by the action of ammonium hydroxide on acid. So very simple is that whenever metal react with acid, metal displace H plus ion. Okay, and then after salt will formed. And also when acid react with base, salt will form. Now sulfates are obtained from sulfuric acid, carbonates are obtained from carbonic acids, chlorides are obtained from hydrochloric acid, nitrates are obtained from nitric acid, and acetates are formed from acetic acid. So whatever the acids are there, when metal react with these all acids, sulfuric acid, carbonic acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, metal displace H plus ion, means H2SO4, H plus ion displace, then SO4 left, and this is said to be sulfates. Again carbonate CO3, chloride Cl, nitrates NO3. Okay, so sulfates, carbonates, chlorides, nitrates, and acetates are formed or obtained from sulfuric acid, carbonic acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, or acetic acid respectively after replacing hydrogen ion by a metal. Okay, so there is a table 7.2 is given some common salt like Na2SO4, CuSO4, CaCO3, NH4Cl and KNOH, okay, in which metal name, non-metallic part are given, and what is the name of that formula is given. Okay, sodium sulfate mix and form sodium sulfate, copper sulfate, calcium carbonate, ammonium chloride and potassium nitrate. Okay, so this is all about naming salts. Next topic is properties of salt. Most salts are solid with high melting and boiling points. So the melting point and boiling point of salt is high, and they are generally solid. Most salts are soluble in water. Salts soluble in water are good conductors of electricity. So salts are solid, they have high melting boiling points. Most of the salt are soluble in water, and salt solution in water are good conductors of electricity. Now, usage of salt. Salts are useful to us in many ways, and usage of some salts are given in table 7.3, page number 77. Okay, this table, you need to draw this table. Okay, and remember it. Name of salt: sodium chloride, sodium bicarbonate, potassium nitrate, potash alum, copper sulfate, silver nitrate, and the uses are given. We use common salt NaCl in food, okay, in currying meat and fish, to present preservatives in pickles, manufacture of chemicals such as washing soda, baking soda and caustic soda. Okay, baking soda is used in a baking of bread and cakes, in medicine as well in fire extinguisher. KNO3 is manufacture of gunpowder, and it is used in the making of fireworks in a glass industry, and also used for making fertilizers. Okay, Fitkari is used in the purification of water. Okay, so these are the uses of salt, and now chapter is complete. So you need to summarize this chapter. Please summarize it, revise it, read at least one time from beginning, and make sure you have to complete exercise, and whatever the homeworks are given to you on website, please do, and submit your copies in school. Thank you.